Hi, and welcome to the EZReader Camera tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to use the camera application. The camera application will display contents of any camera attached to your computer, but its primary function is to allow you to use a document camera, like the one on my screen, to display a magnified view of printed materials underneath the camera. These can be items such as books, newspapers, mail, brochures, and even product labels. The camera application will also let you take snapshots, convert to text, and view in binary mode. To access the camera, first we will open the Easy taskbar by clicking on our EZReader desktop shortcut. And once taskbar is open, locate the camera application and click to open.
Opening camera.
The camera main screen contains a toolbar at the top of the screen and an image viewer on the lower portion of the screen. The main camera toolbar has 3 rows of navigation. The rightmost menu icon is used to move through the rows of icons. Using a right mouse click on the menu icon will move the rows in the reverse direction. The menu icon consists of multiple dots, where the number of dots tells you how many rows of icons are available. The dot with the black filled center indicates which row is currently displayed. On row 1, the first icon is Hide. This will simply hide the toolbar so you can see the camera content full screen. You can adjust or move the content underneath the camera as needed to read. You can also left mouse click to zoom in and right mouse click to zoom out. And just a note, if you have a touchscreen, you can also use your fingers to zoom in and zoom out as well. All right, to exit the full screen, you will mouse click at the very top left corner of your screen, and you will see the toolbar reappear. The second icon, called Next, will cycle through all the cameras that are attached to your computer. The next 2 icons will zoom in and zoom out. The next icon will reset the image to the original zoom. The next icon will freeze your screen. This simply creates a still image that you can then copy and paste into another program, print, or take a snapshot. All right, let's click Exit to go back to the main camera display. The snap icon will take a snapshot of the image on your screen and automatically save this image to the EZReader Camera gallery, which we will show in another tutorial video. All right, the next icon is called Capture. This tool will let you capture specific text from your image and convert that text into an EZReader editor page. So let's go ahead and demo the capture feature. So I'm going to click on Capture. The toolbar disappears and we see the image full screen. So now we are in capture mode. So now we want to draw a box around the text that we want to extract. We do this by using a mouse click on the upper left-hand corner of the text that you want to extract.
Opening camera capture.
Then we mouse click again on the bottom right-hand corner of the text. After I do this, you will see a box appear around the text, and then you will see an EZReader editor page appear with the text that you just grabbed.
Opening text viewer.
All right, so now you can play aloud. You can copy all the text and paste into another program. You can save the file to EZReader EZReader Editor app, or you can print. And then you also have the same options to change font, font size, color, and other display characteristics, just like you saw in the book reader and the editor tutorial. All right, so now let's click on Exit to go back to the main camera display. All right, so now let's go to row 2. The first icon on row 2 is called View.
Opening image viewer.
This feature is similar to Freeze, as it will create a still image, but the toolbar remains at the top, so you have access to the zoom in and zoom out buttons. You have an option to print, and then moving to row 2, you have the option to save the file to the EZReader gallery. You can set your image as a screensaver, and then you can also view in binary mode. We'll review more on the binary features later. All right, so let's click Exit Level to go back to the main camera display. The next icon is called Page, or Convert All. This will allow you to capture a full page of text and convert all that text to an EZReader editor page. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on Page or Convert All, and you will see the full page will be extracted.
Opening text viewer.
All right, and so here again, you have the option to play aloud, copy all text, and save. And of course, you can change font, font size, color, and other display characteristics. All right, let's click Exit and go back to the main camera display. All right. The next two icons are the same capture feature that we looked at on row 1, where you have to draw a box around the text that you want to extract. This capture icon that says Capture plus R simply allows you to rotate the text. All right, now let's go to row 3. The third row contains icons to copy the image, to print. You can also view your snapshot history, and you can view in binary mode.
Opening camera binary.
In binary mode, you see the image in 2 colors only. You can change the color pairs by selecting color. You can also zoom in and zoom out. And you can also freeze your screen, just like you can in the main camera display. And if we go to row 2, you can also adjust the foreground and background resolution. All right, let's click Exit to go back to the main camera screen. And now let's click Exit again to close the camera app and reopen Easy Taskbar.
Opening Easy Taskbar.
All right, well, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use the camera application. I hope you found it helpful. And if you have any other questions about how to use the camera application, please reach out to the EZReader support team for help.